I can't say I've ever wished to have a gym at home, but this is pretty cool looking. And it wasn't that expensive either. In fact, these two treadmills we purchased from Amazon, I think in 2019, so a couple of years back, and they work really well. They were only around $200 and some. This screen I stole from, I didn't steal it. It was already mine, but I stole it from, no, damn it, I didn't steal it. I took it, the screen that I own, I took it from the office in the house and threw it up there, and you can see right behind is the mount on the wall. There's my temporary outlet. It's a little bit dodgy. That's okay. Anyway, it works, and I really think that walking is one of the easiest, most effective exercises. So this is great. And you can see there is my treadmill and my wife's treadmill. Now, the rest of the garage, still lots of room for improvement, but it's getting a lot better. In the meantime, though, I'm happy to have these in an actual spot. I probably will never get anything more serious than this, although I would love to have a stair stepper. I think those are pretty effective for calorie burn as well. But you know, this thing's solid. I'll show you guys. Oh, here we go. Come on. Now, I'm pretty sure the speed is in kilometers per hour, so to get an average walking speed of 3 miles per hour, you got to get kind of up to 5 kilometers per hour. But yeah, this is real straightforward. Maybe I should start dusting things off, but whatever. You guys are probably used to it. Yeah, this thing's awesome. See the screen right there? You can see my giant dad bod. Oh man, I would like a bigger TV. I think that would be cool, but you know, the other side of that is I didn't want to spend the money on it. So we'll hit stop. It doesn't just stop randomly, it slows down. And that's good, because otherwise I'd probably backflip off the thing. Whoa. Yeah, see, even there, even the slow stop right there is like a little crazy. So yeah, not bad. All in all, if I was buying this stuff new, I probably would have spent $600-700 on it. Not awful. I'll put some links in the description to these treadmills. All disclosure, there'll be affiliate links, but just so you guys can see what I bought. And yeah, I've been pretty happy with these. I did have to buy some more treadmill oil, because you have to oil the track, like right down here. You have to put oil under here, and I think you have to do that every now and then. Otherwise, these wear out a lot quicker. Besides that, though, I don't know. This is good. I can come out every night and walk for 30 minutes, watch some YouTube, which is what I do anyway. I just sit there on my giant butt watching YouTube. So now I'm going to stand or walk and watch YouTube. And my strategy with this is just, you know, a walking pace, call it good, walk for 30 minutes, or an hour, or whatever I can really fit in. I'm just going to queue up a bunch of videos for the day. Maybe I'll watch my own videos, see if they're actually interesting. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Bye.